got your shoes then.
It appears the glass slipper fits no one at all.
But there must be someone. Are you sure we've been to every corner of the kingdom?
I do recall delivering the invitation to one other home.
Then what are we waiting for?
As you wish, Your Highness.
That was awesome, huh?
You always got it. He's Cinderella.
Here I am. Well, don't just stand there. Go fetch the breakfast trays at once. And hurry. They'll be here any minute.